The to-do list lay untouched on the table as John woke up on that first Sunday in November. But today was different. It was zero-tasking day, a day dedicated to doing absolutely nothing productive. John decided his only task for the day would be to relax. Zero-tasking day falls on the first Sunday of November and encourages us to set aside our never-ending to-do lists and chores in favor of resting and recharging. While being productive is typically praised in our culture, it is equally important to unplug and do nothing at times. Our bodies and minds need downtime to function at their best. The idea of zero-tasking day originated in the book The Joy of Missing Out by Christine Carter. Carter argues that rest and play are vital for productivity, health, and happiness. Constant busyness often leads to stress, burnout, and a lack of creativity. Embracing rest allows us to connect with ourselves and what really matters in our lives. To celebrate Zero-Tasking Day, you must commit to avoiding anything that feels like work or a task. That means no chores, productivity apps, or running errands allowed. Instead, focus on restorative activities like sleeping in, reading books, taking baths, spending time in nature, cooking, meditation, or whatever recharges you. Inform family and friends that you will be unreachable for the next 24 hours. Switching to a mindset of rest and rejuvenation for a full day can be challenging, yet the benefits are enormous. Allowing yourself to do absolutely nothing productive releases you from the nagging feeling that you should be working or completing something important. Your mind and body can finally relax, recharge, and renew your energy and enthusiasm. This first Sunday in November, declare it to be your personal zero-tasking day oasis. Let go of expectations and allow simplicity and stillness to take over for 24 hours. You may emerge on the other end feeling profoundly refreshed and grounded. Our productivity and health depend on incorporating more rest and play into our lives. Take the opportunity to blissfully do nothing, and you will be ready to take on the week ahead. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful zero-tasking day. Cheers!